Hi, I'm Monique from Sartorial Interiors, and today I'm at the Home Show in Sydney, and this is my stand. I love helping people transform their homes into beautiful places, and today my stand is soft greys with pops of pinks and some black accents. Everyone loves a great looking and really comfortable sofa, and I'm a bit partial to velvet, so that's why I've gone with this one. And today I've got this artwork by a dear friend of mine and an amazing artist, Catherine Longhurst. So it is an original artwork, but you can get some great artworks for good prices with adding that pop of colour. And I've brought the colour also over to this chair. This was actually my grandmother's spinster sisters, which I had done up. And again, that pop of colour and a bit of texture here with the cushion. And just with general styling, you just mix up the textures and the colours, and you bring in some natural items like the shells here and the coral over here. And another great secret to design is fantastic lighting. There's a designer in England called Abigail Ahern, and her theory is you should have 8 sources of lighting in your room, which is a lot when you think about it. So the more lamps, the merrier. And the other thing that you should keep in mind is adding greenery, so adding plants. It just makes it look more homely and welcoming, and yeah, and enjoy it. So come on down, and thanks a lot for your time.